Cheaper Android phones are getting way better. Seriously, the Umidigi Power 7S is a testament to this. This is an entry-level Android smartphone that has 4GB of RAM, 64GB internal storage. It has a battery of 6,115 milliamps hour. It has 6.7-inch large screen, and it has global LTE, all for, wait for it, about $90. How is that even possible? Well, today we're going to just unbox it and review it and check out how good is the Umidigi Power 7S. So if you're ready, come with me. Let's get started. Okay, welcome back again to Smart Depot. I'm so excited to have you here today. If you're new to the channel, why not click on the subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell icon. If you're a viewer in our channel before, why not like and share? So let's go straight into the unboxing and test this thing out. I can't just wait to see how good this guy fares. Thanks to Umidigi for sending us a unit, but let's unbox it in Smart Depot style. Straight into the box, what do we have? The Umidigi Power 7X wearing a condom casing, which we will pull out for now. What else is in the box? Of course, that manual that nobody reads with SIM ejector tool, the charger, and USB Type-C. That's just about that. So the links will be in the description if you want to buy the Umidigi, with be in Nigeria or abroad. Come on, let's pull out this thing and let's feel the texture of this. And it's so beautiful to hold, the grip, the texture. I'm going to hand you over to our top gamer in Smart Depot, Mr. Emmanuel. Also, S. Osas is his YouTube channel. You can check him out. He does a lot of gameplay, all our gameplay. So over to you, Emmanuel.
All right, thank you, Oga Smart. So today we're going to be looking into the Umidigi Power 7S. So stick around.
The design. Now take a look at it. Take a real look at it. What does it remind you of? An iPhone, of course. The Umidigi Power 7S has a sleek and elegant look as that of an iPhone. On the back, the design features a 3D textured finishing, but the sides don't seem to have that textured finish. On the bottom of the phone, we have the speaker grill, a USB Type-C port, and a microphone. At the top houses the 3.5mm headphone port. At the right side, the volume rockers and a power button. Unfortunately, this version doesn't have a fingerprint, but rather AI face unlock. More on that in the video to come. And at the left, the SIM and SD card slots, which supports two 4G SIMs, and also it has a dedicated key. Now that's really cool. How many phones do you see at $90 that gives you that? Now to the screen. On the front, we have a massive 6.7-inch IPS display. I repeat, a 6.7-inch IPS display on a $90 phone. How good can this get? No wonder it's called the Budget King. With the screen resolution at 720 by 1650, which means it's pretty much, it's basically a 720p screen. Interestingly, you can stream videos up to 1080p on YouTube depending on the video. I don't really know how that works, but I found a video which I could stream at 1080p. So that's a really nice one there. It also has a 60Hz refresh rate, which means animations and switching between apps would feel really smooth. The screen brightness outside seems to be quite okay, so usage outdoors shouldn't be much of a stress for you. When it comes to multitasking, the Umidigi Power 7S doesn't fall short. I'm running over 10 apps and no lag yet to be noticed. Now let's go to the speaker. The speaker sounds pretty good for a $90 phone. Here's a sound test for you guys. Tell me what you think in the comment section. We have an AI dual camera setup with the 16MP main camera at the top and an 8MP wide angle. For more game tests, watch out for our next video. Now over to you, Mr. Smart.
Thank you, Emmanuel, for that wonderful review. So you've seen it. If you watch up to this point, it is time to subscribe to the channel. You can click on that subscribe button because we have follow-up videos about this that we're going to do. Of course, I expected the camera to be mediocre for the price. I mean, for 90 bucks, I wasn't expecting it to take any good pictures, but it did take good pictures, during daylight, and that is something to also note. Every other thing for me, no complaint. The battery, the performance, for the price range, it's just the best entry-level smartphone out there. Of course, special thanks to Umidigi for sending across that device for us, but we always do our review unbiased, what we check out for ourselves, and then what we see. So until I see you in the next one, peace out. Subscribe. I'll see you.